So hello guys, welcome back to the Latin Cyber. Today we're gonna be showing you how we can connect the client from the Windows server. So first we show you the IP address from Windows 10. So here we're gonna click on CMD IP config slash O just to so like we see here the IP4 is right here. And 207. That's IPv4 is the IP sold to the server. So now I'm gonna move to the server right here. I'm gonna CMD as well. Be config. Uh you see we have different IP address. So that's the IPv4 of the server. So now I'm gonna search remote desktop. So when I compute activate to use my computer. That's see here that one connection. So I'm doing it. So we wanna connect to help desk. What we're gonna do here this. I'm gonna click connect. So in this case hasn't connect yet. Uh again. So if this is that little warning here. And we're gonna go here. Right click system and down to remote, remote desktop. Click. We're gonna put it on. Confirm. Okay, now it's working. Let's see if we hit it now here. Oh, that's uh, also the computer. Computer name is PC. To the two. Uh, so here's the name of the PC that should go here. The password. So we wanna that's the process. So out the way. We're gonna minimize the activity that you use on a computer. So here we say yes. So another user to sign yes. See how this. Let me move to the other one. In that case, if you do it from remote distance, so the client had to hit it OK to remote desktop connection. So we hit OK. So, and now we want to back to our server now. It's working. So if in that case, the client has some issues so that he cannot figure it out, he's saying that his computer is slow, and you want a remote connection. That's the way that you can do it. It's that many ways as well that you can do that. Later on, we're gonna be working on and showing how to do it. But for now, that's gonna be the easy one. But that's in case when the client said my computer is slow, or is there some file that I cannot find. So you say, okay, let me just a remote connection, and you can look it out. So sometimes if the client cannot explain, like, a computer issue they have, so you more expertise, you can go through the computer and look it out. So we aim to confirm. So do you remember the PC 10? Here you can see the layout, the window 10. Yeah, you can confirm all the window 10 like that. So boom. Let's just go CND and show the IP address. So when I click CND, we have it already in the back. It's close, supposedly. Let's do it again. See? So we see we have the same IP address. So we aim. So let's just create a forwarding. We're not getting forwarding here. We can later on. So when I show you how to use the terminal, well, they can I'm trying here in Windows. Let me create a forwarding. So let me new for let me put it on Latin cyber. Just minimize. So when I go to Windows 10, uh, password, it's, when I get in by with power. So now that we're back, the Windows 10, so we look at how we had the same IP address down here. So okay. So guys, that's it for that video. So remember, if you find my video helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe and give a like. So don't miss the next video. That's gonna be really good. So I'll see you to the next time.